Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install CPUJet on your computer. So let's first of all open our browser, and I'm opening my Microsoft Edge, and then you have to go to the search bar here and type out CPUJet and let's say download as well. So you have the website here, CPUJet, right in front of us, but we need to go to this link which has cpuid.com. Okay, this is the link, so we want to click on that, and then you have to, I guess, a little bit scrolling down would help, and you will be able to see the setup English version here. There's the 32 and 64-bit version. If you're using a computer that is made after, like, I don't know, 2000 or 2010s, you will most likely have 64 version, but even then, if you want to check if you have 32-bit or 64-bit, you can actually go to your search bar and type out system information, and then you can see what kind of bit system you have. Currently I have 64-bit because it says x64, that means I have 64-bit version. Okay, if you have let's say 32-bit version, then it will have x86 in your desktop. Okay, so after that you have to click here, download, and the download will begin like this, and it's not really a big file. You can see it's just 3.4 megabytes, and after you have downloaded the file, you have to click on the downloaded file, and it will be in your Windows download folder. If you don't know where that is, you should really look starting in your file explorer, and you can see we have the setup file here. I will accept the agreement, click next, and that's fine too, that's also fine. Create a desktop icon. Okay, so everything looks good. I'm going to go install, and it has installed. I'm just going to uncheck this. I don't want to see the readme text, and we should have our CPUJet here. You can see the icon, and there is also another icon. This is the portable version that I have, and on the computer this is not relevant to the video. This is the version that we have just installed. Okay, so we can actually double click on the CPUJet, and it will open up. Okay, just like this, and now you can see we can actually determine what kind of processor we have. In this case, I have the Ryzen 4750U, the 8-core version. You can see cores and everything, threads, and you can also see the main board, memory, and everything else as well. So that's how you can download and install CPUJet on Windows 11. And thank you everyone for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.